everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to prepare a Makhana cream easily at home. This Makhana cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients and is specially made to lighten and whiten your skin complexion and to remove all the pesky marks, dark spots, acne scars and pigmentation as well as hyperpigmentation problem easily at home. This Makhana cream will also help you in preventing aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin, and will tighten and brighten your skin complexion within just few days. And it will also make your skin supple, soft, glowing and radiant. So to prepare this Makhana cream, we firstly gonna need few Makhanas, and Makhanas are also known as fox nuts and you can easily find them at any grocery store. So to prepare this cream, we firstly have to take approx 10 to 12 Makhanas and then you have to add hot water in it and soak them into this hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes so that these Makhanas become soft and they are easy to work with. And after soaking them for 10 to 15 minutes, your Makhanas will be soft and squishy like I'm showing you here. And now we'll put these soaked Makhanas into a blending or grinding jar along with its water and then blend everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And after blending the Makhanas really nicely, your Makhana paste will look like this, and the consistency of this paste should be smooth, creamy, lump-free and runny like I'm showing you in the video. And now we are straining this mixture with the help of a strainer, or you can even use a cheesecloth to strain it nicely. And after straining this mixture, your creamy Makhana paste is ready, and this paste should be so much creamy, fluffy, smooth and lump-free like I'm showing you in the video. So now to turn this paste into a cream, we are gonna firstly add 2 teaspoons vitamin E oil in it. And if you don't have the vitamin E oil, you can even use the vitamin E capsules which are easily available at any pharmacy store. And you just have to add 4 to 5 vitamin E capsules. After the vitamin E oil, we are going to add 1 teaspoon glycerin in it. And now we'll just give a good mix to all these ingredients. And after mixing all these ingredients, now we'll add approx half a teaspoon rice flour in it. And then again mix all these ingredients really well to make a smooth and lump-free paste. And we are adding rice flour because rice flour has amazing skin whitening and lightening properties, and it also helps in making your skin more fairer, glowing and radiant. And after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And I'm just adding 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel in it. And after adding aloe vera gel, now for the last time mix everything really well to make a smooth, creamy and so much fluffy paste. Now after mixing all these ingredients, your homemade Makhana cream is ready and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so runny and nor so thick, and it should be smooth, lump-free and so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. This homemade Makhana cream is 100% natural and is 100% effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion because it contains all the natural ingredients which works really best in lightening and whitening your skin tone and in treating your dull and dry skin. This Makhana cream also helps in fading away your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and uneven skin complexion, and makes your skin even toned, brighter, lighter and tighter. This cream also treats sunburns, suntan, black spots and dry and flaky skin. And it will also help in preventing your aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, dull and sagging skin, and will make your skin fair, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to store this homemade Makhana cream. And to store this cream, you're gonna need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin, and then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day, for at least 15 to 20 days to get fair, glowing, radiant and highly moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.